Here's another Portuguese weather report for you. Side streets are really bad over here. Big thunder boomers, blizzard all over the place. Cold, very cold. Lots of snow. Can't walk. Side streets 20-inch. Really bad over here. Here we go. Visibility is no good over here. Visibility is no good. We're over here in Warren. I'm Americans. Okay. Over here, Victoria's Flowers. Okay. The King's over there. Wind very strong. Lots of snow. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna go see what I can see. Okay. In the bushes. Let's go see if I can get a cheeseburger. We made it. Hey, can I have 2 black sodas, a 10-piece chicken nugget, no big Whopper Junior, okay? Extra pickles. Hello? Hello? Get out here. Son of a bitch. I hope none of you have diabetes. CVS is closed. Same thing. Dunkin' Donuts is closed. I was hoping Dunkin' wouldn't let me down. You think Papadino's be making pies? No. Dunkin' Donuts ain't Dunkin' nothing today.